Bubs? Oh, Bubs, are you here? Wow. Look at all these yummy apples. Look here. Wow. Red, yellow, red, yellow. Do you know what this is? This is a pattern. Bubs taught me all about patterns. Red, yellow, red, yellow. Yay!
Hello, Whoops! Wow! You finished the pattern! Good job!
Applesauce! Yummy!
Whoops! It's not polite to grab. What should you say if you want something?
Oh, right. May I have some applesauce, please?
Absolutely!
Thank you. Hey, wait a minute. Are apples used to make applesauce?
Yes, applesauce can be made from almost any kind of apple.
But apples are hard and round, and the applesauce is mushy.
Whoops! Would you like to learn how applesauce is made?
Oh, yeah, that would be very exciting.
Let's watch from the beginning and see where apples come from.
Okay.
Apples are a healthy and yummy fruit. Apples come in all different colors and sizes. Today we are going to learn how apples become applesauce. This is an apple orchard. An orchard is an area of land where fruit trees are planted in rows.
Have you ever picked apples from an apple tree? That looks like fun!
Now they're done collecting the apples, so it's time to load the crates onto a truck. Have you seen this machine before? Do you know what it's called? You're right, a forklift. The apple pickers need help because when these crates are full, they weigh 880 pounds. That is as much as a polar bear weighs. The forklift carries each crate of apples and carefully places it onto the truck. Now the truck is full, so it's time to deliver the apples to the apple factory. Are you ready to see these apples turn into applesauce?
I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's go! Apples grow on trees, so they stomp on the apples with their feet to make applesauce?
I sure hope not. Let's keep watching and we'll see.
Okay.
Here we are at the apple factory. Whew, thank goodness for that forklift. First, the apples are poured into the bin. Next, this machine removes the leaves and stems from the apples. It's time for the apples to take a bath.
A bath? I love to take a bath. Do you?
It's not like how we wash in the bathtub. These apples are scrubbed and cleaned by a machine. A steep conveyor belt picks up the apples and takes them to a different part of the factory. This is an amazing machine. It peels, cores, and slices the apples in just a few seconds. How long do you think it would take to slice all of these apples by hand? A pretty long time. Now a wide conveyor belt moves the slices of apples to the next place, the inspection area. The employees inspect the apples and remove any bad ones. Only the best apple slices are made into applesauce.
Look at that machine shaking all the apples.
It's time to cook these chopped apples. This will make them soft. Look what happened to the apples after cooking. It's starting to look like applesauce.
That looks yummy.
Here, the final ingredients are added. They are sugar, water, and vitamin C. Vitamin C helps our bodies heal and helps us not get sick.
Look at that machine stirring all that applesauce. I'm okay.
The applesauce is done. Now it's time to load the empty cups into the filler machine. The cups go in empty and they come out full. The filler machine fills almost 400 cups in 1 minute. Wow, that's fast! The lids are next. This keeps the applesauce in the cups and safe for us to eat. Moving to the next step. The applesauce needs to be cooled before it's packed. The cold water cools them down. The cups are finally ready to be packaged. This conveyor belt separates the applesauce into 2 lines. In order to fit the cups into one package, some have to be turned upside down. Look at that clever machine!
They look like race cars.
Now they are ready to be wrapped in a cardboard sleeve, which holds them together. Ta-da! Wrapped and ready. Look, do you see the cups that were turned upside down? We're almost done. The sleeves of applesauce are packed into these boxes. The boxes are held together by plastic wrap so they don't tip over on the bumpy truck ride. From here, the boxes of applesauce will be loaded into a truck and delivered to the grocery stores. And now the best part, the applesauce is ready to eat. From the trees in the orchard right to your tummy, a very sweet start to finish.
Wow, that was really, really neat. Did you see how that forklift picked up those apples and poured them into that huge bin? Whoops! Oh dear, I make an awful lot of mistakes.
That's okay, Whoops. It was an accident.
What does an accident mean again?
An accident means you didn't do it on purpose.
Did you ever have accidents, Bubs?
Are you kidding? Of course I do. Everyone has accidents.
Oh, thanks, Bubs. Oh boy, you know, this is going to be a hard decision. Should I eat an apple or should I eat applesauce?
Hold that thought. Before we do anything, We need to clean up the mess we made.
Woohoo!
Yeah,
Thanks for helping me, Bubs.
I have a good idea. If you can't decide which one to eat, why don't we share? That way we can have some of each.
That's a great idea. Let's share. Here, have some applesauce.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, I'm gonna start with a yellow one, I think.
Oh, they look delicious.